All right, here we are. It's 6:42 in Chicago. We are downloading a new software update version, 2021.32.22. I can only imagine that this one's going to have the button. Elon Musk said that the actual 10.1 for FSD beta has been delayed 24 hours. I'm assuming that even with that, for me, because I don't already have FSD beta, this update will allow me to hit the button, and then it's going to be 7 days of monitoring my driving, and then if deemed a safe driver, then I'll be able to download the 10.1. So I think the original FSD beta testers are going to have about 1 more week of exclusivity. So yep, here we go. Probably another 10 minutes to download, and then maybe 25-30 minutes to install. I'll be back. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is the release notes for this version. All it is request full self-driving beta. You can now request early access to full self-driving beta pending eligibility. To get started, tap controls, autopilot, request full self-driving beta, and follow the instructions. So we're going to do that. All right, here we go. Tapping the button. Thank you for your... Okay, I consent. I understand that I have to be alert, and I understand it can be revoked. I'm enrolled in the queue.
Now that I was enrolled in the FSD beta, I was looking forward to taking it out for a spin. My understanding is that there would be a dashboard instructing you on how safe your driving is, but I didn't see anything, and I didn't mess with my cell phone as that would be unsafe while driving. So after going for an 11-mile drive this morning, mostly with autopilot engaged and steering on city streets beta also, I'm happy to report I looked at the Tesla app on my phone, and there was a new section called Safety Score Beta. So on pulling that up, I was able to see in all of the areas that Tesla is assessing: forward collision warnings, hard braking, aggressive turning, unsafe following, and forced autopilot disengagements. I scored a perfect score for those 11 miles. So 7 more days of this, and then I should be able to download the FSD beta. So thank you all for watching. Have a great day.